A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our Max class. Hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss exercise 8C, question number 6. We are going to start with question number 6. This exercise 8C is a little difficult. Okay, so all of you please listen here. Question number 6. By selling 8 pence, Shyam loses equal to the cost price of 2 pence. Find his loss percent. Okay. Just read the question at least 3 times. Okay. Read the question at least 3 times. By selling 8 pence, Shyam loses equal to the cost price of 2 pence. Find his loss percent. Here, selling 8 pence. Selling 8 pence. Shyam loses equal to the cost price of 2 pence. Shyam loses. If he sell an item that is 8 pence, he had a loss. Okay. Shyam loses equal to the CP of 2 pence. What is his loss? The loss is equal to cost price of 2 pence. Okay. If he is selling 8 pence, then his loss is CP of 2 pence. But we don't know CP of 2 pence. We don't know SP of 8 pence. Nothing. Okay, we don't know what is SP of 8 pence and we don't know what is CP of 2 pence. Only one thing we know, SP of 8 pence. If he is selling 8 pence, Shyam loses CP of 2 pence. Okay, CP of 2 pence. That only we know. So first we can take CP of 1 pen is equal to rupee 1. Like that we can assume. Let CP of 1 pen, then CP of 2 pen, like that. Okay. See here. See, let CP of 1 pen. CP of 1 pen equal to rupees 1. Okay. Cost price of 1 pen 1. Then cost price of 2 pen. What is the cost price of 2 pen? Rupees 2. 2 into 1 is rupees 2. Then cost price of 8 pen. CP of 8 pen is equal to rupees 8. Rupees 8. Then loss equal to rupees 2, you know. Loss equal to rupees 2. Why this loss equal to 2? Because CP of 2 pen is loss. CP of 2 pen is loss. So CP of 2 pence. Okay. Loss means, see here CP of 8 pen, not SP. In the question SP of 8 pen is equal to, by selling 8 pen, he loses CP of 2 pen. If he is selling 8 pence, he loses CP of 2 pen. Okay, so CP of 2 pen rupees 2, CP of 8 pen is equal to rupees 8. Now loss equal to, what is the loss? Rupees 2. Loss is equal to rupees 2. How will you get this rupees 2? Because CP of 2 pen is loss. When he is selling 8 pence, he had a loss of CP of 2 pence. Okay, he had a loss of CP of 2 pence. So CP of 2 pence means loss. Okay, CP of 2 pen means it is a loss. Clear? First, assume that CP of 1 pen rupees 1, then CP of 2 pen rupees 2, CP of 8 pen is equal to 8. Then one more thing is given. If he is selling 8 pence, he had a loss of CP of 2 pence. Loss it is not given as percentage and all, and exact amount is not given. He loses CP of 2 pence. He loses CP of 2 pence. Okay. So CP of 2 pence is loss, you know. What is CP of 2 pence? Rupees 2. That's why we are writing here rupees 2 directly. Okay. CP of 2 pence is loss. He had a loss of rupees 2. That is the question, you know. And the question mentioned that if he is selling 8 pence, he had a loss of CP of 2 pence. CP of 2 pence. They are not given. Say loss is equal to rupees 2. They are not given directly. Loss is equal to rupees 2. CP loss is equal to CP of 2 pence. Loss is equal to CP of 2 pence. So CP of 2 pence is what? Rupees 2. That's why we are writing this one. Okay. Reason CP of 2 pence is loss. Loss means CP of 2 pence. CP of 2 pence is what? Rupees 2. That's why we are writing 2 here. Okay. Now find loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Okay. Loss by CP into 100. That is loss to CP 8. 8 pen, you know. That is why we are writing 8 into 100. That is 25 percentage. 25 percentage. 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Here 2. Here 25 into 4, you know. This 2 and this 2 cancelled. Okay. Clear. Once again, first assume CP of 1 pen, rupee 1, then CP of 2 pen, rupee 2, CP of 8 pen, rupees 8. Then loss is equal to CP of 2 pence. What is CP of 2 pence? CP of 2 pen is 2. So loss is equal to rupees 2. Then find the loss percentage. Okay. Now question number 7. A shopkeeper bought rice worth rupees 4,500. He sold 1/3 of it at 10% profit. If he decides a profit of 12% on the whole, find the SP of the rest of the rice, the percentage profit on the rest of the rice. Okay. Shopkeeper bought rice worth rupees 4,500. That means CP of rice 4,500. He sold 1/3 of it at a 10% of profit. Okay. Only 1/3 he sold at a profit 10%. So he had a profit 10% profit for 1/3 of rice. He is not he don't sell the whole rice. Okay, only 1/3 he sold. Okay, he did not sell the whole rice, only he sold 1/3. Okay. If he decides a profit of 12% on the whole, he desire 12% profit for the whole rice. Okay, so we want to find selling price of the rest of the rice and its percentage profit. See, 10% already he got 10% profit by selling 1/3 of the rice. He desires 12% profit on whole rice. Okay, the whole rice. By selling the whole rice, he desires a profit of 12%. Now he got 10% profit after by selling 1/3 of the rice. So we want to find how much the price increase for the remaining or the rest of the rice. Okay, for how much price we want to sell the rest of the rice. Okay, for that first we have to write CP of rice, cost price of the whole rice, is equal to 4,500. Okay, CP of the whole rice is equal to rupees 4,500. Now profit decide on the whole. What is the profit he decides on the whole rice? 12%. So SP of the whole rice. What should be the SP of the whole rice? At what price he want to sell that whole rice? First, CP of the whole rice is 4,500 and the whole rice he needs or he desires a profit 12%. Okay, for the whole rice he desires 12% profit. But he sold only 1/3 at a profit of 10%. Again 2% is there. Total profit 12% is, So first we want to find SP of the whole rice. At what price he want to sell the whole rice? SP is equal to, what is the formula for finding SP? If CP is given 100 plus gain by 100 into CP. That is 100 plus 12 by 100 into 4,500. Okay, 4,500. So 112 by 100 into 4,500. In 100 that 2 0 get cancelled. In 4,500 this 2 0 get cancelled. Okay. So 112 into 45. So SP of the whole rice is equal to 112 into 45 is equal to rupees 5,040. Okay. Rupees 5,040. Now given that CP of 1/3 of rice. You want to find only 1/3 of the rice he sold, Only 1/3 of the rice he sold. So CP of 1/3 of rice we want to find, 1/3 into 4,500. That is 3 and 45 get cancelled. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 50, 1,500. So CP of 1/3 of rice is 1/3 into 4,500. 3 and 45 get cancelled 15 times. So 15 into 100. 1,500. CP of 1/3 of rice is equal to 1,500. So if he is selling this 1/3, 1/3 of the rice, he got a gain or got a profit of 10%, By selling this 1/3 of rice, he got a profit 10%. So gain on 1/3 of rice is 10%. So SP on it. At what price? What is the SP of this 1/3 of rice? CP of 1/3 of rice is 1,500. CP of 1/3 of rice is 1/3 into 4,500. It is 1,500. Now SP of 1/3 of rice. SP of 1/3 of rice is equal to, there is a profit also there. 10% profit is there. So how to find it? 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. That is 100 plus 10% is the gain for 1/3 of rice. So 100 plus 10 by 100 into 1,500. CP here 1,500. Only we want to find 1/3 of rice. So 110 by 100 into 1,500. This 2 0 and this 2 gets cancelled. 110 into 15. 110 into 15 is 1,650. Okay. 1,650. Rupees 1,650. So remaining CP of the rice. Now we want to find for how much. So SP of 1/3 of the rice 1,650. Now we want to find remaining CP of rice. Now 1/3 only we sold. Now again remaining portion is there. We want to find the remaining CP. Then only we want to find remaining SP and for how much is the percentage we want to increase to get the whole gain or whole profit 12%. Okay, the whole profit as 12%. So remaining CP of rice is equal to, how to find remaining CP? The whole CP minus CP of 1/3 of rice. Okay, CP of the whole minus CP of 1/3. Then we will get the remaining CP. Okay, remaining CP is equal to whole CP minus 1/3 CP. Okay, total minus 1/3. We will get remaining. That is 4,500 minus 1,500 is 3,000. 3,000 is the remaining CP. So what is remaining SP? At what price we want to sell the item or the remaining rice? For what price we want to sell the remaining? Rice. Total or whole SP minus remaining 1/3 of SP. The whole SP minus 1/3 of SP. The whole SP is, what is the whole SP? SP of the whole rice 5040. SP of the, see, remaining SP is equal to whole SP minus 1/3 of SP, or SP of 1/3 of rice. What is the whole SP of the whole rice? 5040. And what is the SP of 1/3 of rice? 1/3 of rice is 1650. So 5040 minus 1650 is equal to 3390. So this we want to find 3390. Okay, 3390. Okay, first we want to find CP. It is CP is given 4500. Then profit, the whole profit 12%. So we want to find SP of the whole rice. SP of the whole rice, that is 112 by 100 into CP 4500. It is equal to 5040. Now CP, 1/3 of the rice they sold. He sold. So 1/3 CP of 1/3 of rice, 1/3 into 4500 is 1500. So by selling 1/3 of rice, he got 10% profit, you know. So SP is what? 100 plus 10 by 100 into CP 1500. SP on 1/3 of rice equal to 1650. Now remaining CP, how to find? Remaining CPs of rice is equal to whole rice minus 1/3 of rice. CP of whole rice minus CP of 1/3 of rice, that is 3000. Now remaining SP of whole rice minus SP of 1/3 rice equal to 3390. Now we want to find the percentage. How to find percentage? Here SP is greater than CP, you know, so profit. SP greater than CP, so profit. What is the profit? 3390 minus 3300. Sorry, 3000 equal to 390. 390 is the profit. Okay, 3390 minus 3000. 390 is the profit. Now how to find profit percentage? Profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. Profit, remaining profit only. So 390. And what is the remaining CP? 3000. So 390 by 3000 into 100. Okay. Note that here 3000. Remaining CP is 3000, you know. So 390 by 3000 into 100. 13%. 13%. Okay. 13%. Therefore, SP of the rest of the rice 3390, and its profit is 13%. Its profit is 13%. Okay. We want to find the gain of the remaining rice. So remaining profit 390 by CP of remaining rice 3000 into 100. Clear? Now 8th question. Mohan bought a certain number of notebooks for 600 rupees. He sold 1/4 of them at a 5% loss. At what price should he sell the remaining notebooks so as to gain 10% on the whole? Okay, same type of question. Here, Mohan bought a certain number of notebooks at for rupees 600. We don't know the number of books, but amount is 600. And he sold only 1/4 of them. He sold only 1/4 of them, and he had a loss of 5%. He had a loss of 5%. Now, at what price should he sell the remaining notebooks so as to gain 10% on the whole? The remaining notebook, how much he should increase the price of the notebook to get a profit of 10% for the whole transaction, the whole sale. Okay, the whole books. First, he bought books for rupees 600 for whole book. Okay, we don't know the number of books. Let it be the whole book. CP of the whole books 600, and only 1/4 of the books were he sold. Okay, 1/4 of the books he sold at a loss of 5%. If he is selling 1/4 of the books, he had a loss of 5%. Then only 1/4 he sold, now remaining books are there. At what price that remaining books he should sold to get a profit of 10% for the whole note? Okay, for the whole, that we want to find. Okay, so in way we can find. First, see, CP of notebooks. CP of notebooks, the whole notebooks. Okay, here notebooks means number, For rice, we can't mention the number. Previous question, rice. That's why we are writing the whole rice like that, because we can't mention the number of rice like that. Here CP of notebooks. Notebooks means whole notebook or total notebook equal to rupees 600. Gain decide on the whole. He decides a gain on the whole notebook is 10%. 10% profit he desire. Okay, so total SP of all the notebooks. For how much price he want to sell that notebook? At what price he want to sell the notebook? That is SP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. That is 100 plus 10 by 100 into CP. It is equal to 110 by 100 into CP. This 200 and this 200 get cancelled. 110 into 6, 660 rupees, 660. So to get a 10% of profit, he want to sell the items or the notebooks for rupees 660. Clear? To get a 10% of profit, he want to sell it for rupees 660. But only 1/4 he sold for rupees 5% loss. So CP of 1/4 of the notes equal to 1/4 into CP of 1/4 of the notes. CP of 1/4 of the note equal to 1/4 into 600. CP 600, CP of whole notebook 600. So 1/4 he sold. So CP of 1/4 of the notes 1/4 into 600. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. Then 20. 5 4s are 20. So 150. 150 is the answer. CP of 1/4. Only 1/4 of the notes he sold. Okay. So loss on these notebooks 5%. When he is selling 150 notes, he had 1/4 of the notes, he had a loss of 5%. So we want to find SP of these notebooks. SP of these notebooks is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. That is 100 minus 5 by 100 into CP 150. Okay, here we need a CP. That is the formula. 100 minus loss by 100 into CP. That's why we are finding here CP of 1/4 of the notes. Okay, that's why we are finding this step. CP of 1/4 of notes. Then only we can substitute the value here. So 100 minus 5 by 100 into 150. 95 by 100 into 150. 95 by 100 into 150. Okay, 95 by 100 into 150 is this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. Then 5's table. 1 5's are 5, 2 5's are 10, 3 5's are 15. So 95 into 3 by 2. 95 into 3 divided by 2 is equal to 142.50 rupees. 142.50. 142 rupees 50 paisa. Now CP of remaining notes. CP of remaining notes, how to find? We want to find for how much should increase the remaining price. Okay, then in order to get a 10% profit. So CP of remaining notes is equal to total CP minus 1/4. Total CP minus CP of 1/4 of the note, that is 600 minus 150, rupees 450. Okay, now required SP on remaining notes. SP of the remaining notes, how to find? Total SP minus SP on 1/4 note. Then we will get a remaining, total SP minus 1/4 of SP, that is 660 minus, here total SP 660 minus remaining 1/4 of SP 142.50. So 517.50. 517.50. Clear? Now we want to find a profit percent. Question only this much. What is the SP of the remaining notes? SP of the remaining notes 517.50. That much only. Clear? Okay. First we have to find a CP of whole notebook 600. Then find SP of the whole notebook. Then find CP of 1/4 of the note. Then find the SP of 1/4 of the note. Okay. Then finally we want to find the SP of remaining note and CP of remaining note. Okay. Clear? See next, 9th question. Raju sells a watch at 5% profit. He sold it for rupees 24 more. He would have gained 11%. Find the CP. So first, what is the selling price? 5%. If he sell a watch, then he had a profit of 5%. If he increase the price by 24, that is he sold it for rupees 24 more, means if he increase the price 24, he would have a profit 11%. So we want to find CP. Suppose the cost if he sold an item for 5% profit. Again, if he raised the price, that means 24 rupees more, he increased the price by 24. So normally profit also increase, profit will also increase, that is the new profit is 11%. So find the cost price. How to find this one? We don't know what is CP and SP, so let it be 100. Let the CP of the watch is 100. Already I told this 10% increase like that, so 100. Let the CP of the watch is rupees 100. When profit is equal to 5%, first the profit, he is selling a watch on 5% profit, So when profit is 5%, then SP, what is the SP? 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5. How? What is 5% of 100? What is 5% of 100? 5 by 100 into 100 is rupees 5, That's why 500 plus 5, 105. Okay. 5% of 100. CP of the watch 100. So when profit 5%, then SP is equal to 100 plus 5% of 100. Profit, so we want to add that percentage. That is 100 plus 5, 105. Otherwise, you can use formula. CP is equal to 100 plus 5 by 100 into SP is equal to 100 plus 5 by 100 into CP. Here CP is equal to 100, Then also you will get 105. But here I wrote directly because 5% of 100 means it is 5. 5% increase. 5% of 100 is 5. Then 100 plus 5, 105. When profit equal to 11%, what is the SP? 100 plus 11. 100 plus 11. 111. Okay. 111. So difference of this two SP. Difference of two selling prices 111 minus 105, rupees 6. Okay. What is the difference? If he sold the item for 5% profit, then 11% profit. Compare both the selling prices. Compare both the selling price. If he sold on 11% profit, then 1 is the SP. If he sold it for 5% profit, then 105 is the SP. So the difference of two SP is 6. When watch is sold for rupees 6 more, 6 more, the difference of both the prices is 6, you know. So the prices increased by 6 more, then what is the CP of the watch? 100 by 6. CP of one watch 100, you know, or original CP 100. Then if he sold for rupees 6 more, if he increase 6 rupees, then selling price 100 by cost price 100 by 6. When watch sold for rupees 24, that we want to find, you know. When watch is sold for rupees 24 more, then the CP of the watch is 100 by 6 into 24. 6 into 4 are 24. 4 into 100, rupees 400. Okay, rupees 400. Clear? Our question is the CP of the watch. Sorry, if he sold the watch for 5% profit, then he sold it for 11% profit. We want to compare both the profits. And one more thing we want to find, if he increases the price of the watch by 24 rupees, what is the CP? If he increase 24 rupees, he will get a 11% profit. If the price increases, then profit also increase, you know, 11%. 5 to 11. 5 to 11. So 11, 6. Difference is 6. 6% difference. Otherwise, here when we are converted into rupees, 6 rupees is the difference in two SPs. Then when watch is sold for rupees 6 more, if from the actual price or from the original price, if he increases rupees 6, then CP of the watch 100 by 6. 100 by 6. Then watch is sold for rupees 24 more, then CP, how to find? 100 by 6 into 24. Okay. Clear? Hope you understand. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Next question, 10th one. A man sold a bicycle at 5% profit. If the cost had been 30% less and the selling price rupees 63 less, he would have made a profit of 30%. What was the CP of the bicycle? Very lengthy question. A man sold a bicycle at a 5% profit. Selling price at a 5% profit. Cost had been 30% less and selling price rupees 63 less. He would have made a profit of 30%. See, if the cost had been 30% lesser, that is CP is 30% lesser and SP is rupees 63 lesser, he would have made a profit 30%. Actual profit is 5%. If the CP, suppose if the CP had been 30% less and SP is 63 rupees more, he would have a profit 30%. What is the cost price of the bicycle? Okay, it is, see, first we don't know CP, so let the CP of the bicycle rupees 100. CP of the bicycle rupees 100. Okay, then profit 5%, you know. So what is SP? Same as previous question, 5% of 100, 5, you know. So 100 plus 5, 105. SP is 105. No need to apply formula and all. We can directly find this. SP rupees 105. Then second case means CP is 30% less. Second case is CP, they are telling. CP 30% less means 30%. CP here 100, you know. We already assume that CP is equal to 100. Then CP is 30% less means what is 30% of 100? CP equal to 100 minus 30 by 100 into 100. 30% means how to convert 30%? 30 by 100 into 100, that is 30. Previous lesson already we learned what is percentage. Okay, 30% less means 100 minus 30, it is equal to 17. What is 30% of 100? 30. So 100 minus 30. Actual CP is 100 rupees. Again 30% less means it is 100 minus 30, 70 rupees. CP 70 rupees. Again then from this 70, again the profit is 30%. Profit 30%. So what is the SP? 100 plus profit by 100 into CP, that is 100 plus 30 by 100 into 70, that is 130 by 100 into 70. The 0 and the 0 get cancelled, the 0 and 0 get cancelled. 13 into 7, 13 into 7, 91. Okay, 91. So difference in two selling prices. First selling price is 105, and second case selling price is 91. So difference is 14 rupees 14. Now same as previous question. If the difference is rupees 14, the CP of the bicycle is 100. We assume that the CP is 100, then we got difference 14. So if the difference is 14, then CP 100. Now if the difference is, apply unitary method. If the difference is 1, then CP of the bicycle. If the difference is 1, then CP of the bicycle. How to find one quantity? By division. 100 by 14. 100 by 14. Okay. Now if the difference is 63, if the difference is 63, CP of bicycle. CP of bicycle equal to 100 by 14 into 63. 450. After cancellation, 450. Okay. 2 7s are 40. Then 9 7s are 63. 2 and 50. How much time? 50. Then 50 into 9. Okay. 450. Clear? Same as the previous question. You just read the question 3 times and understand what they asked. Okay. What you have to find. Okay, first CP of the bicycle, let it be 100. Then profit 5%. So 105. Again the price, cost price, not selling price. The second case they are telling CP is 30% less. So what is 30% of 100? It is 70. Then the profit is equal to, and then the profit he earned is 30%. That means 63. He got 63 rupees more. Okay, so SP is equal to 130 by 100 into 70, 91. And what is the difference? 105 if he increases the price. So 105 minus 91 is 14. Difference of two selling price is 14. Now difference is 14. Then CP is 100. Here CP 100, At that time our difference in SP 40. So difference in SP 40, then CP is 100. And the difference in SP 1, then what is the CP 100 by 40. Then if the difference is rupees 63, difference on SP is 63. What's our CP? 450. Okay. Last question, 11th one. Renu sold an article at a loss of 8%. She bought it at a 10% less and sold for rupees 36 more. She would have gained 20%. Find the CP. First, he sold an article at a loss 8%. He suffered 8% loss by selling an article. Then she bought it at 10% less. If the same item she had bought at a 10% less and sold for 36 more. വാങ്ങിയിട്ട് 36 10% കമ്മിയാക്കിയിട്ട് സാധനം വാങ്ങി. CP 10% ലെസ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് വാങ്ങി. എന്നിട്ട് 36 റുപ്പീസ് കൂട്ടി അതിൻ്റെ വില. 36 റുപ്പീസ് കൂട്ടി വില. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 20% ലാഭം കിട്ടും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ CP കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ. രേണു സോൾഡ് ആൻ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ അറ്റ് എ ലോസ് ഓഫ് 8%. 8% നഷ്ടത്തിലാണ് ഒരു സാധനം വിറ്റത്. അതേ സാധനം വാങ്ങുമ്പോഴേ 10% കുറച്ചിട്ട് വാങ്ങി വിചാരിക്കുക. ആ സാധനം വാങ്ങുമ്പോഴേ 10% കുറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വാങ്ങി. എന്നിട്ട് വിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ പൈസ കൂട്ടി വിറ്റു. 36 റുപ്പീസ് അധികം എടുത്തു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ ലാഭമാണ് കിട്ടുക 20%. സോ ആ കേസിൽ കോസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എത്രയെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ. So let's CP. Here also same method we can follow. CP of the article 100 and case 1 means loss 8%, you know. First the loss is 8%. So SP is equal to 100 minus 8, 92 rupees. Now second case, another case. വേറൊരു കേസാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ സാധനം വാങ്ങുമ്പോഴേ 10% പൈസ കമ്മിയാക്കിയിട്ട് വാങ്ങി. That is CP. Cost price 10% less means 100 minus 10, it is 90. അങ്ങനെ വാങ്ങിയിട്ട് വിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ 20% കൂട്ടി വിറ്റു. ഓക്കെ. വിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ 20% കൂട്ടി വിറ്റു. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് 20%. സോ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ SP? 100 + 20 by 100 into 90. 90. Okay. CP 90, you know. So 120 by 100 into 90. 10 0 get cancelled here. One more 0 here. 12 into 9, 108. 108 rupees. So what is the difference in two selling prices? First the selling price 92 SEK. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലോസ് ആയിരുന്നു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ. 8% നഷ്ടത്തിലാണ് സാധനം വിറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ 92. സെക്കൻഡ് രണ്ടാമത് വിറ്റപ്പോൾ ലാഭത്തിനാണ് വിറ്റ്. 20% പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. സോ see here 108, here 92, here less, you know, loss, here profit. So difference in two selling prices 108 minus 92, 16. Difference of 2 SP 108 minus 92, 16. If difference of 2 SP or two selling prices is rupees 16, then what is CP? Here we assume CP 100. CP 100 ആയിരുന്നപ്പോഴാണ് സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് 16. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ പറയാം, ഇഫ് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഓഫ് ടു സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസസ് ഇസ് rupees 16, then CP 100. Now if the difference of two selling prices is rupees 1, apply unitary method. Difference of two selling prices is 1, then what is CP? 100 by 16. 100 by 16. If different prices of 2 SP is rupees 36, then what is CP? 36 rupees ആണ് അധികം കൂട്ടി വിറ്റു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ SP കാണാനാണ്, സോറി CP കാണാൻ. So if the difference of 2 SP is rupees 36, then CP is 100 by 16 into 36, 225 rupees, 225. Okay. First എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Let it be 100. First CP 100, then given that loss. So what is SP? 100 minus 8, 92. Again, if the CP, if she had bought it for 10% less, പൈസ കമ്മിയാക്കിയിട്ട് സാധനം വാങ്ങി. So what is SP? 90 rupees. And then sold it for profit 20 rupees. So what is SP? 108. Then what is the difference in two selling prices? രണ്ട് സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ്, അതായത് ആദ്യം പൈസ നഷ്ടത്തിൽ വിറ്റു, 8% ലോസിൽ വിറ്റപ്പോഴും 20% പ്രോഫിറ്റിൽ വിറ്റപ്പോഴും ഉള്ള ഡിഫറൻസാണ് കാണേണ്ടത്. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് 16. Now if the difference of two selling prices 16, then what is our CP? We assumed at first 100. Then if the difference of 2 SP is rupees 1, then CP 100 by 16. Then if the difference of two selling prices is rupees 36, then CP 100 by 16 into 36 is equal to 225. Okay, got it? Hope you understand this class. And today you have no homework. You prepare well for TP. On 17th, you have TP, previous lesson, chapter 7. Okay. Only TP, not unit test. Okay, study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.